Right, we are back and time for graphical, how to solve simultaneous linear equation with graphical method. Now I'm not going to use these equations because it will confuse you later on. Okay, so I have a new set of equation which is these two. Okay, so I have equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, now to solve these two equations, okay, firstly, now for graphical method, we do have these 4 steps as well, but a lot of work is done in the preparation stage. Okay, so let's do the preparation first. We need to prepare one by one. Okay, so x plus 3y equals to 6. Okay, we need to change it into the y equals to mx plus c form. Okay, how do we do that? So we move the x over first. X equals to negative x plus 6. Okay, and then y equals to negative x plus 6 over 3. Okay, and then we simplify further. Negative 1 over 3x plus 6 over 3 equals to 2. Okay, 6 divided by 3, you get 2. Okay, so once we have this form, we can also do our table. Okay, x and y table. Alright, so our x and y table, you need at least 2 points lah. Alright, so first let's use the easy one. When x is 0, what is y? So when we substitute x is 0, okay, so y equals to 1 over 3 negative 1 over 3 0 plus 2, what we get? Y equals to just 2. Okay, and then similarly we want to try x equals to 3. Why I want to pick 3? Because so that I can just make it an easy whole number. Okay, so same thing, y equals to negative 1 over 3 times 3 plus 2. So negative 1 over 3 already cancel. So what I have left, negative 1 plus 2, I get 1. 1. Okay, now similarly I'm going to do the same thing for this side. Okay, so I have 3x minus y equals to 6. Okay, then I have minus y equals to 6 minus 3x. Let me switch this around. Minus y equals to minus 3x plus 6. Then the minus, I want to get rid of it. Everything terbalik. 3x minus 6. Okay, so I have this equation now. Same as this side. So, but this one, I also do my own set of table. Okay, so easy one first, 0. Okay, so when y equals to 3 times 0 minus 6, y equals to negative 6. Okay, and then next I want to use, okay, I can pick any number this time. I can pick 3, but I just pick 1 lah, 1 easy ma, right? Okay, y equals to 3 times 1 minus 6. So 3 minus 6, what do we get? Negative 3. So negative 3. Okay, next we're going to move to the laptop. Okay, so let's continue. All right, so here we have equation 1 and equation 2. Remember earlier I already list out the numbers as well. Okay, I mean the coordinates. All right, so first coordinate, x is 0, y is 2. Okay, so let's select a point. Okay, where is that? X is 0, y is 2. So it should be this point, correct or not? Okay, yep. Okay, maybe let's make it bigger a bit lah, easier to see. Okay, so we have this point, and then we also have another one is 3 and 1. So x is 3, y is 1, so it's over here. Okay, so that way we can actually draw a line, all right, from here to here. Hold on, no, not going to combine you like that. Okay, so you can see here this line goes through both one. Let me make the line thicker. Okay, so you see it can go through from here to here. Okay, so let me expand the line longer, make the line longer. So here, yeah, let's do it all the way here. Okay, and then this line also go to, let's say here lah. Okay, this one. Okay, so from here to here. All right, see it goes through both lines. Okay,
Next, we need to insert another set of one, which is, oh sorry, this one is supposed to be blue. Okay, now we're going to insert another one, shapes. Okay, oh yeah, insert shapes. Okay, now next we're going to do for this one, the red color one. So 0, -6. Where is 0, -6? So we should be having a one over here, one dot over here. Okay, so this one, let's color it red color. Okay, and then we have another one is 1, -3. 1, -3. So roughly around here lah. Okay, all right, so we have these 2 points. Same thing again, we can draw a line. Okay, so this time will be from roughly around here to 0, 1, -3, right? 1, -3. Okay, yeah. Okay, so with this, all right, we can see that there is the meeting point over here. Okay, so it might be a bit off, all right, because my drawing is not so good, but you can see, find the meeting point here, so you can roughly say that it is actually, the coordinate for it will be x equals to 2.5, and then y equals to 1.33333 or something like that. Okay, if you don't believe me, you can actually put it together and then you can calculate and see. You will get the answer. Okay, thank you.